Sierra. This is Oscar Romeo 4 ISS. Over. You started to come in, Sierra Papa 7 Papa Oscar Sierra. This is Oscar Romeo 4 ISS. I think I've got you. Over. Oh, we copy you loud and clear. Welcome to the International Space Station. It's great to be with you in Poland. I know I'm in a military school, so I'd love to talk to the students. Over. Yes, I'm ready. Over. Hello, I think it's coming in a little broken now, but I think the question was, do you think faster or slower in space? And actually, I think it's sort of the same, but it depends on, I guess, how long you've been up here. It goes faster or slower maybe in the very beginning, but as we're getting closer to the end of the mission, it just perceptively feels faster. So physically, I don't think it goes much different because we're not that far off of the Earth's surface. Over. And I'm getting a lot of static, wondering if you can try again. I think this question number 2 of how much electricity does the ISS use, and it uses quite a bit, but we have big solar arrays, and that's a good plan because we have lots of experiments with heaters. I'm forgetting the exact kilowatt hours, but it's about the size of a 4-bedroom house, so it's pretty, uses a lot of electricity that can use all those experiments. Over. And we had a great signal, but now it seems to not be that good anymore. So maybe I'll try to channel 13. Over. I'm switching to 13. Over. Sierra Papa 7, Papa Oscar Sierra. Over. And I'm switching back to 12. Over. Sierra Papa 7, Papa Oscar Sierra. This is Oscar Romeo 4 ISS. Over. I'll answer a couple questions and see if maybe the sound can get better. Is the spacesuit comfortable? Well, sometimes it's comfortable. Depends on what suit. I've been in a bunch of spacesuits. The space suit that we have in the spacecraft to come up to space and go home is more comfortable than the one that we use to go outside, because the one that we use outside has to be self-contained, so it has bottles in it for oxygen and also a canister to get rid of carbon dioxide. We use the spaceship systems for the launch and entry suits, so those don't have all that bulk to them. Over. I think you're starting to come in. I will answer question 5 and see if we can get, again, a better signal. Which planet do you think is the most beautiful apart from Earth? The one that I like actually is Jupiter, just because if you look at it for over time, you can see that its atmosphere is moving, and those swirls around the planet itself are just incredible and make you wonder what is going on there. Over. Okay, go ahead. Over. Yes, ready for the question. Hi, Yulia. Yeah, it's interesting. I don't think physically it does because we're not that far away from Earth. We're only about 400 kilometers. But in your mind, it does pass at different rates. In the beginning of our time here, it was very slow, but now the pace is picking up and it almost feels like it's coming to the end. Over. ISS uses almost 100 kilowatts. We have all sorts